This is page number 72, Arya book depot of class 7. Now observe the given table that rational numbers in this table. You can see that rational number, terminating decimals, denominator and the prime factors. So here 1 by 2, here given 1 by 2, then 1 by 3 by 4, then 2 by 5, then 5 by 8, then 7 by 25, and 6 by 125. So terminating decimals are 0.5 and so denominator 2. Then 4, then 5, then 8, then 20, 120. This is the denominator. Here 0.5, 0.75, and here it is 0.4, 0.625, 0.8. What we have observed here, the prime factors are prime factors. So prime factors are 2, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 5, then 8 is there, then 2 into 2, here 2 into 5, then 5 into 5, 5. So according to this table, you can see, we observe that in all these cases, the prime factors of the denominator are only 2 or 5 or both. So now this is the terminating decimals. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 25 and 6 by 125. All are having a terminate. The decimal is terminating. After 5, nothing is there. After 5 also nothing is there. After 4, nothing is there. After this 5, nothing is there. After 8, nothing is there. And also after 8, nothing is there. That means all these are the terminating decimals. So now denominator are 2, 4, 5, 8, 25, 125. So prime factors of this denominator are 2 having only one prime factor, 4 that is 2, 5 is 2, 5 only, one factor is there, prime factor. 8 having the 3 prime factor, 2 into 2 into 20, 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 prime factors are there, and here 125, that is 5 into 5 into 5. So what you observe here, when any number, any fraction which is terminating, having the terminating decimals, their denominator, that is down numbers, having the factors of either 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. Here 2 is there, here 5 is there, here 2, 2 or here 2, 2, 5, here 5, 5, 5. That means the prime factors will be either 2 or 5 or both. Remember, the decimal representation will be finite or terminating if the prime factors of the denominator of a rational number in its lowest term has only 2, 5 or both as its prime factor. Again I am repeating, you have to remember the decimal representation will be finite or terminating if the prime factors of the denominator of a rational number in its lowest term has only 2, 5 or both as its prime factors. Example number 34. Example number 34 is saying without actual division, determine which of the following decimal numbers have terminating decimal representation. Here 3 by 50. 3 by 50. So 50 is there. So you have to find out the prime factorization of 50. It will be 5 into 5. That is 50 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So in the denominator, the prime factors are 2 and 5. So this fraction will have the terminating decimals. Now second one, 18 by 45. 18 by 45. So again 45 we have to prime factorize. So 3 and 5. Now 45 is equal to 3 into 5. So you can see here with the prime factorization of 45, the factors are 3 and 5, and which is other than 2 and 5. So 5 is there but 2 is not there. Here it is 3. So this fraction will not terminate in the decimal. When we will take and divide, it will not terminate. Okay. See, wait. First we have to put in the lowest term. 18 by 45. 18 by 45. So now again, so 2 by 5 is there. The lowest term is 2 by 5. Then this will terminate. Then the decimal expression of this 18 by 45 will terminate. That means it will terminate when the terminating decimal. And third 15 by 63. 15 by 63. So prime factor of 63. First we have to put in the lowest term. So it is 5 by 21. Now 21, the prime factor you have to find out. That is 21 is equal to 3 into 7. The prime factor 2, neither 2 is here nor 5 is there. So the decimal expression of this 15 by 63 is non-terminating. Now exercise 3.5 is there. You have to solve all the question of this exercise, and then summary is there.